Hello, and welcome to this HyFlex classroom training. We will go through the operation of the teaching equipment in a HyFlex classroom to show you how to present your coursework to a hybrid audience. Please use the chapters on the video to navigate to any section you need. There's a lot to cover. We will begin with a tour of the equipment in a HyFlex classroom, from the computer to the projector and all of the cameras. Then we will show you how the touch panel controls everything in the room. After that, we will explain how to use the HyFlex classroom to connect with your students in a Zoom environment in two parts, setting up the Zoom account and setting up the meeting controls. Let's get started with the technology tour. Each HyFlex classroom has cameras either for showing people or for displaying classroom materials. Some rooms have tracking cameras that will follow you around the room and allow you to lead your instruction without being isolated to the teaching console. These cameras are set up to auto-track by default, but the auto tracking can be turned off and the cameras can be used as traditional non-tracking cameras. Other rooms are outfitted with non-tracking cameras. These cameras are set to show the teaching console by default, but can manually be moved around the room to focus on wherever you would like to lead instruction from. A ceiling document camera is used to present documents or other tangible instruction materials. The microphone for the room is mounted in the ceiling and has the capability of picking up the audio from anywhere in the room, allowing instructors the ability to lead instruction from anywhere while also picking up student interaction within the classroom. Some rooms are equipped with touch-capable monitors which allow you to use the annotation or whiteboard features within Zoom by using your finger or a stylus. Some rooms are also equipped with confidence monitors in the back of the room to give instructors the capability to see their displays while not located directly behind the teaching console. And in control of the whole room is the touch panel, which we will look at next. The touch panel helps you control many things in the classroom, but it has been very carefully programmed to make it easy for you. First, we will cover normal touch panel functions, and then we will show you the HyFlex specific options and how to use them. To turn on the projector, you simply hit the On button under the projector options. You also have the ability to hide the projector display by utilizing the Mute option under the projector controls. If the classroom has additional TVs in the back or front of the room, they can be powered on or off under the TV controls. You can select your different source inputs at the top of the touch panel. PC selects the in-console computer. The in-console computer is connected to the camera and microphone features, so if you are teaching remotely, you'll want to use that source in order to take advantage of the room's remote technology. The laptop source allows you to plug in your own device to present locally. Selecting the dock cam source will allow you to present the document camera locally. Some rooms have ceiling dock cams with controls on the touch panel, while others have dock cams on the teaching console, which are controlled manually with the buttons on the document camera. You can adjust the room audio with the volume bar and have the ability to mute the audio to the classroom with the mute button. Lighting control is available in some classrooms and can be controlled under the lighting control page. You can power down the classroom by selecting the off button under the projector controls. The help button can be used to request assistance in that classroom. Confirming this request sends a help desk ticket to the local IT administrators as well as to the AV team. If staff is readily available, they may assist you immediately or will follow up with you as soon as possible. HyFlex touch panels have more controls to power extra display monitors and control the available cameras. You can control the cameras by selecting which camera you wish to control and then utilizing the directional controls, auto tracking options, or presets where they are available. You can use the program presets like these, for example, or change settings and save your own preset positions for the cameras. Preset 1 is typically focused on the teaching console. Preset 2 is typically focused on the whiteboard in the center of the room. And Preset 3 is typically an overall room view. Please do not reset Preset 1 as it is already saved to the console location. If the HyFlex classroom has an auto tracking camera, it is programmed with default settings that will either follow a presenter's movement around the classroom or show activity within an area of the classroom. If the classroom has a camera at the front of the room, it can be used to show the students and allow them to interact with their remote classmates or a virtual presenter. Pan, tilt, and zoom controls on the touch panel can be used to position the camera. First, you'll need to log into your Zoom account and then we'll adjust the Zoom settings for the best classroom experience. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner to bring up the settings. Under General, we want to enable Use Dual Monitors. This will turn on dual monitor mode if there are dual monitors present and allow you to present content on one screen while also viewing all of your remote participants on the other. Under the video settings, you will want to enable HD and disable mirror mode. Now let's look at the in-meeting controls. When joining a Zoom conference, I would always recommend testing your audio to ensure the correct devices are selected and that they are working correctly. For most HyFlex capable rooms, your output speaker will typically be the Extron scaler, and your microphone input will be the Shure NE-USB Matrix, which is the ceiling microphone we showed you earlier. If a classroom has multiple cameras, you can switch between them by clicking on the caret beside the video icon. Note that this just selects which camera you are using in Zoom, but to control a specific camera, you will need to do that through the touch panel. If you select the participants icon, you will be able to view all of your current participants and their video and mic status. Below your participants, you can find more meeting options under the ellipses, like muting participants upon entry, disabling the sound when someone joins or leaves the conference, and a few others. The chat icon allows you to chat with everyone, or you can specify a particular participant. The share screen icon will allow you to share content to your remote participants. To share, simply select the designated screen you wish to share. It is important to note that if you are sharing content that has video or audio, you will want to check the Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip boxes at the bottom. If you choose to share a PowerPoint presentation and the content and notes are on the incorrect monitors, go to the display settings and click Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. If you would like to share content from a document camera, under the Share Screen options, go to the Advanced tab and select Content from a second camera. Once you are sharing, you can toggle between the room's cameras until you find the document camera by clicking Switch Camera button in the top left of the screen. In conclusion, remember you can jump to any specific part of this video by using the chapter markers in the description window below. If you need further assistance, you can submit a help desk ticket or request assistance from the touch panel.